Behold, attitude baby spinach. It's not regular spinach. It's spinach that has an attitude. What attitude is that? Alright, the Poppy supermarket is going crazy. Levi, the Poppy supermarket is going crazy. Fam, not Hector on horseback. Not Hector. Not zombie Hector on horseback. That's not even a horse. That's a steed. That's a steed, Levi. Man, you ain't no fun. Hold on. There's more bulls. We got a bull. A lot of stereotypes going on here. Who you with? Back. Oh, hot honey, mucho mango, hot honey. Fam, we might have to try that, Levi. We gotta try that. We go over here in the park right now, son. The Poppy supermarket. We're having an adventure. An adventure. I don't know how, but I'm still offended. What's going on with his face, Levi? What's going on with his face? Blue eyes and red lips. Brother, are you okay? You look like brutality to me. We'll check on that brother. Riccolino. I knew it wasn't all fun and games. I knew it was a caveat. They don't trust us. Levi, they don't trust us. We gotta carry our bags to the car. Ahoy, mateys. I present to you Instacart pirate booty. Don't look at my trunk. From time to time, people will leave groceries in the parking lot. And judging by how wet it is, pause, it's been there for hours. So it's pretty much there. So that's how that works. It's pirate booty. This is where the house number's at. Right here. Yo, it took me years to get good at doing nighttime deliveries. One of the craziest challenges is finding the numbers on the house, especially in the dark. Fam, the house number is in black at your feet. I had to look down. I had to come down to your level to understand this. It's crazy.